Before the 247, air travel was noisy, slow, and uncomfortable. The 247 introduced a standard configuration that most propeller-driven airliners would follow for decades. The Boeing 247, instead of wood and fabric, it used anodized aluminum semi-monocoque construction. Boeing Air Transport, which later became United Airlines, was the first company to hire female air hostesses, flight attendants. In 1930, flying was loud, bumpy, and widely considered dangerous. The airline believed that having young women on board would psychologically calm male passengers. The logic was, if a young woman is walking around calmly, it must be safe.